Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken exchange like a pro. First, ensure your account is fully verified to unlock all features and higher limits. Next, fund your account using a method that suits you, such as a bank transfer or a crypto deposit. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This simple step adds a crucial layer of protection against unauthorized access, keeping your assets safe and sound. Once funded, familiarize yourself with the Kraken interface. The order book displays real-time buy and sell orders, giving you insight into market depth. For quick trades, use market orders to buy or sell immediately at the best available price. If you prefer more control, place limit orders to set your desired entry or exit price, ensuring you only trade when your conditions are met. This strategy helps you manage risk effectively. To trade like a pro, explore Kraken's advanced features. Implement stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains automatically. Consider staking your eligible cryptocurrencies to earn passive income directly through the platform. For experienced traders, margin trading offers the potential for amplified returns, but remember it also carries significantly higher risk. Always understand the risks involved before engaging in advanced strategies. Maintaining strong security practices is paramount on Kraken. Regularly check your account activity and transaction history for anything unusual. Always use strong, unique passwords and never share your login details with anyone. For an effortless home, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.